welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be doing a huge hair unboxing, and not just any hair. We will be doing a Dynasty hair unboxing. So if you guys like to see this video, just keep on watching. So first, starting off, sorry, I had to itch. Starting off, I'm gonna start off with the wigs. So they did send me 2 wigs. The only thing with the wigs is I can't tell you guys the length of the wigs, what type of hair the wigs is, or like what type of hair they are, or texture, or none of that. But I will show them to you guys. So starting off, we have this wig right here. It's a lace wig. So this is what it's looking like. It did come with 2 combs in the inside. So you have 2 on the sides and 1 in the middle. I'm sorry, it came with 4 combs. So you have 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. And it did come with a strap. And it also has these adjustable bands on them, so you can adjust the cap size if you need to. So yes, I can like try to like describe the texture of the hair. So it feels like relaxed hair. So say for instance, if you had got like, if people get a perm and it's like not all the way straight, but it's like not too poofy, if that makes sense. So that's what this hair feels like. It's kind of a short texture, so I'm gonna say between like a 16 and 18 inch. I'm not sure because it didn't come with any labeling on the packaging. So I'm gonna roll my sleeve up so I can show you guys. But this is what the lace is looking like on my skin, and I noticed that the hairline did come a little pre-plucked. I don't know if like you can see it if it's on my arm, like it's a little pre-plucked. But yeah, that is all for the first wig. So now I'm going to show you the other wig. So the other wig came the exact same way, except it looks like the lace is a little bit bigger than that wig, the other wig. So, and this is how long it is, and it has highlights. I'm hoping you guys can see. It has highlights in it, and it's a brown texture. The other wig looked a little darker, but this is brown and it's really long. But this hair texture feels like body wave, if I can describe it the best way that I can. But yeah, it came with 2 combs in the inside, and it came with a comb at the bottom, and it also came with the adjustable strap. And in the inside it says medium, so I'm guessing the cap size is a medium. So yeah, but with this lace, it looks transparent lace. That's what it's giving me compared to the other lace. But that is all for this. So now moving on to the bundles. So I had to write the information down. I had to write it down because I recorded this video and I felt like I was doing too much with the packaging. So we took all the bundles out of the packaging. So if you want to know how the bundles come, just watch one of my previous videos like unboxing. They all come like the standard way, and with the plastic bag and a hairnet wrapped around. So first, I'm gonna get into the first type of hair. So the first set of hair that they sent with that was Italian wave. This is the Italian wave. So I have a 18-inch closure. This is a 18-inch closure, and the closure is a standard 4x4, and it looked transparent, like the lace looked transparent. So, and then the bundles I have are 20, 22, and 24. So These are all the bundles. 22, 20, 22, and 24. So this is the Italian waist, and the color is a number 2. So it's kind of like a brown color, if you can see. I'm trying to show you. Yes, and these are what the wefts are looking like. And this is what the closure is looking like. So that was the first set of hair that I did get in the packaging. I mean the box of hair. The next hair is so this hair, I can't tell you a color because it didn't come with a color. I'm just dropping stuff. Hold on. So the next hair, I can't give you a color because I don't know, but it looks like a 27. It's almost like an auburn color, but this is the frontal, and the frontal is a 16-inch in length, and it looks like a standard frontal. I'm gonna roll my sleeve up again. The lace looks like maybe transparent, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is what this hair is looking like. And the bundles that came with this were all 20-inch bundles. So these are the bundles, 20 inches. So this is mink hair because all that mink hair comes like this. So this is all that. This is the next set of hair with a frontal. So the next hair we have is the natural wave. So the natural wave is this right here. I have done a natural wave before, and I really like this hair. It's really effortless to me. So I have a 14-inch closure. It's a little nut closure, and it looked like a standard 4x4, but I don't know, it kind of little. But it's transparent as well, and the color is a number 4. So it's like a lighter brown, if you can see. So that, and then I have a 14-inch bundle, 2 16-inch, and an 18-inch. So this is, let me do this. This is the 14-inch bundle, and this is what the waist is looking like. And then my 2 16-inch bundles look like this. And my wefts look a little, they like way bigger than my 14-inch. So this is the 14, this is the 16, and then my 18-inch bundle. And this is what the weft. So my 14 and my, so this is my 14-inch bundle, and these are my 16, and this is my 18. So this is what this hair is looking like. So the last hair that I have to show will be my is a Meek European curly, and that is this hair right here. So let me get a little situated. So I have a 20-inch frontal, and this looks like this. It's just a standard frontal, and it looks it looked a little stain on the back, but it looks like a transparent lace as well. So that's what it's looking like. Okay, so that was in 20 inches. I'm gonna just put that down so I can get the bundle situated. Then I have inches 20, 2 24, a 26, and a 28. So we have 26, 28. It's just a little longer than that, and my 2 24 bundles are right here. So I don't know why, cause one of the 24 bundles came like this, and then one came like this. I'm not sure, but yeah, that is the hair. So this is the European curly with the frontal. So now I'm going to be showing you, just in case you ever wanted to like purchase the hair and you just weren't really sure between the natural wave, the European curly, and the Italian wave. So I'm going to be showing you all those together so you can see. So this is the Italian wave, the European curly, and the natural wave. So if you was ever like curious into wanting to know like how they look, these are how the curl patterns are. So if you wanted like more of a curl but not like a tight curl, the natural wave is for you. It's really pretty. If you wanted like a really curl hair pattern, the European curly is what you're looking for. And if you just wanted something like that, like say for instance, you know how body wave is like a wave but then it's not like a wave, but you still want the wave effect, the natural wave is for you. Like, so when you wet it doesn't look as wavy as it does now, but it's like a more effortless wave, if that makes sense. So yes, when you wet all of these, they will look slightly different. So that's what I'm saying. Like if you want more of a wave, kind of like a curl, this is for you, but it's still a wave. But if you want like a really curl, this one's for you. And like if you want something more of a wave but not body wave, because when you wet body wave, it's not like body wave no more, this is for you. So yes, that is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like doing these type of videos. But like I said before, they did send me this hair. No, this video isn't sponsored. But if you enjoy videos like this, please be sure to give me a thumbs up so I can know. And if you have any requests for any other types of videos that you would like to see on my channel, just drop a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.